Hi guys! Today we are going to talk about how do free tech companies such as Fang earns money? I mean, most of these companies provide so many services for free. So how they do it? Why are they giving us for free? First of all, we need to understand there is no such thing as free, and no one is that generous. So start thinking in more realistic way. In order to use online services, we have to pay something. The regular way is that taking subscription of their paid plans such as Amazon Prime, Flipkart Plus, Netflix subscription, and YouTube Premium, and so on. But what about the free versions they gave us? There are many answers to that, but most concerning is data. In order to use their services, they use our data, which is mostly mentioned in their privacy policy, and we agree to that during sign up. I mean, it's a world of information and data. If you have enough data, you can manipulate them however you want. Talking about data, you can earn money by sharing your data information. If I talk realistically, just go to some earning website where you can earn money by doing surveys. Here I'm using Timebucks. Just sign up for free and start earning. You can earn money by doing surveys, testing apps, playing games, and doing other tasks. People are earning $1 to $7 on average daily and earn up to $100 from the leaderboard. Here is the proof of my 1 week payment. If you want to do this, link is in the description. So are we safe from these companies? Because they already have our data? Well, that depends on you. Did you read the agreement and policies before approving? And if you have doubts, you can contact them and even asks for a erasure of your data. If you want to know how you can retrieve your data from websites and wants me to make a video about it, just comment me.